Gypsum, that is CaSO4 dot 2H2O, on heating to about 120 degrees Celsius forms a compound which has the chemical composition represented by. So here gypsum CaSO4 dot 2H2O, on dehydration at 120 degrees Celsius, it gives plaster of Paris. The formula is 2CaSO4 dot H2O plus 3 water molecule. So option D, plaster of Paris, is the correct answer. Which of the following sulfate have the highest solubility in water? A. Magnesium sulfate, B. Barium sulfate, C. Calcium sulfate, D. Beryllium sulfate. So BeSO4 is most soluble because hydration energy is more than lattice energy. So the hydration energy decreases, hence solubility increases. The order will be first BeSO4, then MgSO4, then calcium sulfate, then barium sulfate. So option D is the correct answer. Metallic magnesium is prepared by A. Reduction of magnesium oxide by coke, B. Electrolysis of aqueous solution of MgNO3, C. Displacement of magnesium by iron from magnesium sulfate solution, D. Electrolysis of molten magnesium chloride. So when molten magnesium chloride MgCl2 on electrolysis gives respective ions, that is magnesium cations and chloride ions, at anode we found that 2 chloride ion will give 2 chlorine plus 2 electrons. And at cathode we find Mg2 plus will accept the electrons to form magnesium metal. So option D is the correct answer. Which of the following metal carbonate is decomposed on heating? The magnesium carbonate, that is MgCO3, on heating will give MgO plus carbon dioxide. The metal whose oxide is stable, its carbonate is unstable. So option A is the correct answer. Setting of plaster of Paris is A. Oxidation with atmospheric oxygen, B. Combustion with atmospheric carbon monoxide, C. Dehydration, D. Hydration to yield another hydrate. So setting of plaster of Paris is exothermic process. Exothermic, that means it leads to removal of energy. So when CaSO4 dot half H2O, it forms orthorhombic CaSO4 dot 2H2O, which on hardening will give monoorthorhombic gypsum CaSO4 dot 2H2O. The setting is due to formation of another hydrate. So option D is the correct answer. The metal that produces red-violet color in the non-luminous flame is alkali metals, and their salts impart a characteristic color to flame. The reason for flame coloration is the energy of the flame causes excitation of the outermost electrons, which on return to their original position gives out energy, so absorbed in the visible region. Thus Rb gives red-violet color to the flame as it is an alkali metal. So option C is the correct answer. For alkali metal, which of the following is incorrect? Density gradually increases on moving from lithium to cesium. Potassium is, however, lighter than sodium. The abnormal value of potassium is due to unusual increase in atomic size, that is atomic volume. So density as goes from lithium to sodium, then potassium, then rubidium. Option C is the correct answer. Among the following, the least thermally stable is: stability can be explained on the basis of polarization and covalent character. So lithium ion is smallest in size, hence show high polarizing power. Similarly, Li2CO3, that is lithium carbonate, is least ionic and has least stability, as the stability is inversely proportional to the polarizing power. So option D is the correct answer. Which of the following can't exist in solution? So when sodium reacts with water, it gives base NaOH plus hydrogen in air. So when NaOH with carbon dioxide further gives sodium carbonate plus water, and when sodium carbonate Na2CO3 reaction with HCl, it gives salt NaCl plus water, as it is neutralization plus CO2. So when molten NaCl undergoes electrolysis, sodium ions plus chloride ion are formed. Sodium accepts electron to form sodium metal, chloride loses electron to form chlorine. So option D is the pair which can't exist, that is sodium bicarbonate and HCl. Which sequence of reaction shows correct chemical reaction between the sodium and its compound? So when sodium react with water, it gives a base NaOH plus hydrogen. So when NaOH reacts with carbon dioxide, it gives Na2CO3 sodium carbonate plus water. And when Na2CO3, which is base, reacts with HCl, there is formation of salt plus water plus removal of carbon dioxide. So when molten NaCl undergoes electrolysis, there is formation of sodium ion plus chloride ion. So when sodium accepts an electron, it forms sodium metal. Chloride removes an electron to form chlorine. So option D is the correct answer. Causticization process is used for preparation of A. caustic soda, B. caustic potash, C. Brita, D. slaked lime. So causticization process, also known as Gosage process, it's an old process and it involves heating of 10% solution of Na2CO3 with little excess of milk of lime, that is calcium hydroxide. So when Na2CO3 reacts with calcium hydroxide, calcium carbonate CaCO3 forms the precipitate with removal of base NaOH. So option A, caustic soda, is the correct answer. The characteristics not related to alkali metal is: A. their ions are isoelectronic with noble gases, B. low melting point, C. low electronegativity, D. high ionizing energy. So the alkali metal have NS1 electronic configuration, thus losing of electron, the ion formed isoelectronic with noble gas. The energy binding the atom in the crystal lattice of this metal is relatively low. due to presence of only one electron in its valence shell. Thus alkali metals have low melting point. Alkali metals have high electropositive, thus they have low electronegativity, as they have high electropositive. Thus the alkali metals have large size and the outermost electron is far from the nucleus, thus the relative low ionizing energy. So option D is not related to alkali metal. A solid compound X on heating gives carbon dioxide and a residue. The residue mixed with water forms Y. On passing an excess carbon dioxide through Y in water, a clear solution of Z is obtained, which on boiling Z compound X is reformed. The compound X is. So the given compound X must be calcium carbonate, because it can be explained by the following reactions. When X, that is calcium carbonate, on heating forms a residue of calcium oxide, that is CaO, plus carbon dioxide is removed in the air. So when CaO reacts with water, it forms Y, that is calcium hydroxide. So when Y reacts with carbon dioxide and water, it forms calcium bicarbonate, which is Z. So when calcium bicarbonate on heating, it forms calcium carbonate, which is X, which is obtained again, and carbon dioxide is released in air with formation of water molecule. So option D is the correct answer. Photoelectric effect is maximum in A cesium, B sodium, C potassium, D lithium. Group 1 element are highly electropositive, that they emit electrons when they expose to light. So this is known as photoelectric effect, and this characteristic increases on moving down the group from lithium towards cesium. So option A is the correct answer. Alkaline earth metals are denser than alkali metal because metallic bonding in alkaline earth metal is A stronger, B weaker, C volatile, D not present. So the alkaline earth metal, that is configuration of NS2, are denser than the alkali metals which have configuration NS1, because the metallic bonding in alkaline earth metal is stronger. So option A is the correct answer. Aluminium reacts with caustic soda to form A aluminium hydroxide, B aluminium oxide, C sodium metaluminate, D sodium tetraaluminate. So when aluminium reacts with caustic soda to form sodium metaluminate, the reaction goes as Al plus NaOH plus water form sodium metaluminate NaAlO2 plus hydrogen is released in air. So option C is the correct answer. Which of the following metal has stable carbonates? When carbonate are heated, they decompose to form oxide. Sodium carbonate and potassium carbonate do not decompose. These do not decompose. The carbonate becomes more difficult to decompose as we go down the group. So option A is the correct answer. Which of the following salt does not hydrolyze in water? Only salts of weak acid and strong base and strong acid plus weak base get hydrolyzed, that is show alkalinity or acidity in water. So KClO4 is a salt of strong acid and strong base. Therefore, it does not get hydrolyzed. KClO4, the reaction goes as K plus ClO4 minus, and water breakdown as OH minus plus H plus. So KOH is strong base, HClO3 is strong acid. So option A is the correct answer. Sodium peroxide, which is a yellow solid, when exposed to air becomes white due to formation of sodium peroxide, that is Na2O2, which is yellow solid, becomes white when it is exposed to air because Na2O2 forms base NaOH with moisture, and with carbon dioxide it forms Na2CO3. So option D is the correct answer. Which of the following reacts with water with high rate? Rubidium plus water, reaction goes to form base plus hydrogen. As we go down the group, reactivity with water increases. So the reactivity goes as lithium, then sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium. So option D is the correct answer. Potassium, calcium and lithium metal may be arranged in the decreasing order of their standard electrode potential is. So the lithium ion, when accept electrons, it forms lithium metal and the electrode potential is minus 3.05 volt, and for potassium metal it is minus 2.93 volts, and for calcium it is minus 2.87 volt. So the decreasing order will be lithium to potassium, then calcium. Option B is the correct answer. Most stable compound is A. lithium fluoride, B. lithium chloride, C. lithium bromide, D. lithium iodide. The electronegativity of halogen is fluorine to chlorine, bromine, then iodine. Among alkali metals, the electropositive character increases as cesium, then rubidium, potassium, sodium and lithium. Hence, lithium fluoride is the most stable compound. So option A is the correct answer. Washing soda is heated. A. carbon dioxide is released. B. carbon monoxide plus carbon dioxide is released. C. carbon dioxide is released. D. water vapor is released. So washing powder, that is Na2CO3 dot 10H2O on heating give Na2CO3 dot H2O, which on further heating releases water of crystallization to form Na2CO3 plus water is released. So option D is the correct answer. Based on lattice energy and other consideration, which one of the following alkali metal chloride is expected to have the highest melting point? Although lattice energy of lithium chloride higher than the sodium chloride, but lithium chloride has covalent in nature and sodium chloride is ionic in nature. Therefore, the melting point decreases as we move from sodium chloride because the lattice energy decreases as the size of alkali metal increases. So the lattice energy is inversely proportional to the size of the alkali metals, and it is directly proportional to the melting point of the alkyl halide. So the lattice energy decreases from sodium chloride. So option B is the correct answer. Sodium pyrophosphate is represented by which of the following formula? Sodium pyrophosphate is represented by Na4P2O7. It is sodium salt of pyrophosphoric acid, that is H4P2O7, which may be considered to be made by two molecules of orthophosphoric acid, that is H3PO4, eliminating one molecule of water. So reaction goes as H3PO4, removal of water forms H4P2O7, that is pyrophosphoric acid. Option C is the correct answer. Which is an ore of potassium? A. Carnallite, B. Cryolite, C. Bauxite, D. Dolomite. So the carnallite is an ore of potassium chloride dot MgCl2 dot water. Cryolite is Na3Al F6. Bauxite is ore of aluminium Al2O3 dot 2H2O, and dolomite is magnesium carbonate dot CaCO3. So option A is the correct answer. Magnitude of which of the following property of alkali metal increases with increase of atomic number? A. Electronegativity, B. Ionic radius, C. First ionization energy, D. Melting point. So the element of the alkali metal and the ionic radiuses are: the lithium has least ionic radius, which is 76 picometer, and for cesium it is 167 picometer. As we go down the group, the size increases. As the atomic number increases, the number of shell increases, hence the radius increases. So option B is the correct answer. Potassium is kept in A. alcohol, B. water, C. kerosene, D. liquid ammonia. Alkali metals are highly reactive metals. They react with alcohol, that is C2H5OH plus potassium. It forms C2H5OK plus H2. With water, potassium reacts to form base, and with ammonia it reacts to form ammoniated cation, that is KNH3X plus Y, ammoniated electron. So this is ammoniated cation and this is ammoniated electron on anion, but they do not react with kerosene, so they are kept in kerosene. Option C is the correct answer. As compared to potassium, sodium has A. lower electronegativity, B. higher ionization potential, C. greater atomic radius, D. lower melting point. So the elements are sodium and potassium. First ionization potential, that is IE1 of sodium, is 496 and that of potassium is 419. Second ionization potential, I2, is 4562 and 3051 respectively for sodium and potassium. So sodium, we can see that has higher ionization potential because of smaller atomic size, as the atomic number also of sodium is 11. So option B is the correct answer.